morning everybody. Welcome back to ICT classes. Today we will be discussing chapter 5 working with numbers, task 2 row, column, cell. Requirements of today's class. The first requirement is computer with Windows 10 operating system. The second requirement is Microsoft Excel 2019 and the third requirement is headphones. So moving on to the lesson, spreadsheet. What is a spreadsheet? A spreadsheet is a grid with cells in rows and columns. So it is basically a grid with cells which has rows and columns. So we will enter data in these cells. I hope you guys have seen that rectangular shaped small boxes inside the spreadsheet. Yeah, they are called as cells. And inside these cells we can write our data, that is, you guys have entered something in that small cells, right? So that is called as a spreadsheet. A spreadsheet is a grid with cells in rows and columns. We enter data in these cells. So I will show you what it is. So first we will be discussing columns. So columns means, here you can see A is a column, B is a column, C is a column, D is a column, like that. This is called as columns, that is, the vertical ones are called as columns. So the names of the columns are A, B, C, D, E, F, like that. Okay, so I hope you got the point. Columns means the vertical ones, that is A, B, C, all these are columns. Okay, now we are moving on to rows. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. So these ones, the horizontal ones, are called as rows. The first row, the second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row, like that. It will go like that. The numbers will be from 1 to whatever it is, and the columns will be from A to, like that, alphabets. Okay, the columns will be alphabets and the rows will be numbers 1, 2, 3, like that. Okay, so now next one is cell. Cell means the small rectangular boxes is called as cells. Okay, spelling, check the spelling. Okay, so here the small rectangular boxes are called as cells. Now we have to name these cells. Okay, each and every one of these small boxes or cells is having a name. So here we have this box. If we are considering this small box, it is having the name B4. So I will tell you how to name it. So if you are considering this one, here first thing you have to do is you have to write the name of the column. So the column is B, right? This is in column B. The second thing you have to do is you have to write the name of the row. So the column, then the row name. So the name of this cell will be B4. I hope you guys got the point. So here this is B4. This cell is called as B4. Next one, here C5. This is the name of this particular cell, C5. That is, first we will be writing the name of the column, that is C. Then we will be writing the name of the row. So it will be C5. Okay, I hope you guys understood this one. Now I will show you. So we all know that this is our desktop, yeah, and this one at here bottom left corner, this is a start button. If I am pressing the start button, we will get a lot of programs, and from here we will be going to E to get Excel. Then I pressed Excel. So this is our spreadsheet. I'm going to take the blank workbook right here. This is a blank workbook. So here all these small boxes are called as cells, right? All these small boxes are called as cells. And here we have the columns, column A, column B, column C, column D, column E, like that. There are so many columns. Okay, there are so many columns there. See, there are so many. Okay, and here we have the rows. This is the first row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row, sixth row, like that. We will be having so many rows. If you are going down, you can see 35, 45, like that. There are so many columns, sorry, rows. So these are the rows. So I hope you understood. The vertical ones are called as the columns and the horizontal ones are called as the rows. Okay. Next one is the naming. So this is, I have selected a cell. So here the name, this one is called as E. I'm just going to write the name inside that cell. This one is E, that is the name of the column, and the row is 5. So E5, the name of this cell is E5. Okay. Next one, I'm selecting this one, this cell. So here G8, right? So the name of the cell is G8. So what if I'm selecting this one? Here B11, right? B is the column and 11 is the row name. So what about this one? This one will be B3. Yeah, I hope you guys can understand. So in today's assignment, I will give you some column, I will give you some cells, and you guys have to name these cells. Okay, that will be today's assignment. Okay, have a nice day. Bye.